After I trim the pork, we have this fat, which we are going to release, cook in here, so I have something to saute everything in that has flavor. The fat has flavor. This will take a little while to render. A half hour later, that's enough fat in there. Oh, you could smell this. It smells so good. The fat gives it all the flavor, not so much the meat. Now, I'm going to add in everything. And there you have all the meat, the vegetables, it's all there. And part of the salt. And we don't want to make a mess, so we'll just do this nice and easy. Raise the temperature now. All these beautiful ingredients are going to really make this tasty. And really, that's all you're looking for. And as soon as I saute all of this for a few minutes, then I'm going to add the beans that were soaked overnight, which sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. But today I did it because I want the beans to cook faster. I enjoy cooking like this. Everything in one pot. Raise the flame higher, real high, to just get this sweating up the vegetables and the meats in there. We'll get nice flavor with the ground thyme and a little bit of ground bay leaves, which I recently bought because that way I don't have to pick the bay leaves out of anything. And you wind up using very little because it's ground. Same thing with the thyme. No banging. That has a nice aroma. So I'm going to do this for a couple of minutes and I'll add everything else. Okay, that's been about 3 to 4 minutes. They go the beans. And whatever you like, stock. You can make pork stock from pork neck bones, chicken stock, beef stock, vegetable stock. So I'm just putting, I could lie and say this is stock, but no, it's water. Just enough. And that'll do it. If I want to add more salt, I will add it later. And once this comes to a boil, I put the lid on, put on the lowest flame because it's not going to cook any faster if it's a high flame or a low flame. And that's it so far. Well, I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and then check it.